CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. Today's video is how to claim resources that have been mined by your apostles in evolution land. So it's not too difficult. So first and foremost, we're assuming that you have some apostles working on your land and that you own a piece of land. To do that, you click on the icon, My Apostle, and you find an apostle that is not actively working. Alright, sometimes you got to refresh. And I know for a fact, let's see, this guy is not working. So I'm going to click on him and I'm going to hit work. And then I'm going to choose a piece of land. And then I'm going to determine what I want to extract. Alright, and then I confirm. And that's it. You now have an apostle working. So now back to the question at hand. How do you claim the resources which have been mined? Well, you're going to go to My Land in the corner. You're going to click on the piece of land and manage. And from here, you will see that I have all these miners mining. So I have 3 miners mining actively, and it says that 0.15 gold has been mined. Well, in order to put that into my asset table, you simply click claim. So you don't have to claim it. You can let it build up as high as you want, or you can claim it now if you want to use it. So like I was talking about in my previous videos, gold is one of the #1 resources because that is what you need to upgrade your apostles when you're breeding them. So click claim. And we're going to sign it. And that's it. And you're going to hit refresh, and then you're going to click on your assets. And there you go. The gold will now be in your assets. That's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.